Hi, I'm Terrence.
I'm Logan.
Yeah, we are members of the robotics team, and today we are going to talk about one popular engineering, industrial engineering.
Industrial engineering is all about optimization. We want to get things done as quickly and efficiently as possible. For example, let's put you in a real world situation. Let's say you had to be at the UPS store by 9 o'clock and you had to go to the barber shop by 9:30, but you also wanted to stop by the pharmacy and grocery store. Even though the pharmacy is close to the UPS store, you decide to go to the grocery store first because it's closer to you. By the time you get to the UPS store, you're running late, so you can't go to the pharmacy just yet. You have to go get your haircut and then drive all the way back to the pharmacy, then back home. Did you see how inefficient that was? All you had to do was go up to the UPS store, walk right over to the pharmacy, get your haircut on time, and then drive to the grocery store on your way home. That way, you have saved a bunch of time in traffic, and your food won't be rotten and hot by the time you get home. That's what industrial engineering is about, having a smart plan to optimize our situation. Another good thing about industrial engineering is that it's very versatile. This can be practiced with a ton of different careers. For example, it can be used for organization in factories, standard testing, managing manufacturing parts, and can even be applied to robotics. In robotics, industrial engineers would help be more cost-effective, play a big role in testing, and can fit all the technology inside the robot. Engineers also play a big role in design. Obviously, these roles play a large amount in robotics, which is why industrial engineering is useful. This is a good major to take because, like I said before, being an industrial engineer works with a ton of jobs. You could pursue your dream job with an industrial engineering degree. This job pays on average $86,471 each year, depending on what company you work for. This is double the average amount made by a person a year in the US. So if you are interested in getting things done the fastest and best as possible, become an industrial engineer. First, we're going to talk about entry and experienced job opportunities in Arizona. The most popular entry-level jobs in Arizona are about $70,000 a year. And with a more experienced industrial engineer who's had more years, will make about 75K to 76K annually. Biomedical industrial engineering jobs have the highest average, which is 73,000 to $112,000 annually. But even the lowest paying jobs average, like mechanical engineering, can go as low as $49,000 a year, could reach up to $123,000 a year. There's a graph for which jobs. Okay, salaries and design. So on average, the most entry-level jobs go for about 59K to 63K a year on a normal degree. And 1 to 4 years working in IE will make about 66,000 to 7,000 a year. And once you get to 5 to 10 years, 78K to 80K, and from 10 to 19 years, you make about 88K to $92,000 a year. And most of the highest paying jobs in industrial engineering are mechanical, industrial engineering and mechanical fields, and other stuff like biomedical engineer and some other industrial stuff. Jobs with industrial engineering. Industrial engineering have many popular job opportunities, like the U.S. Army, the U.S. Department of Defense, and HRU Technical Resources, because they want to get things done
like fastest and best as possible. So there's some popular ones.
Advantage of IE. How good is industrial engineering? What about the job outlook? There are four things that I consider to be the main advantage of industrial engineering: high salary, good opportunity, wait, opportunity. I'm sorry.
That's good.
Opportunity for advancement, skills of solving problems, nice job outlook. I think a high salary could be a very important thing for each person who is looking for a job to engage in, and industrial engineering must be a nice choice. Look at the chart on the right, which is from the website of U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the BLS. It shows about the wage estimate for industrial engineering. You can see the median annual wage is $88,020. Notice that is a median wage, not an average wage. Yeah, as a comparator, the median annual wage in the U.S. is only about 33,700. This is a big difference. Second thing is that the field of industrial engineering provides ample opportunity for advancement. After working for several years, many engineers pursue state licensure, allow them to supervise others, sign up on projects, and provide engineering service directly to the public as an independent contractor. Other engineers take on managerial roles at larger firms. Another thing is that the higher the position you are, the higher the salary you gain. According to the BLS, engineering managers earn a median salary of $140,760 in 2018. The highest 10% of earners. Typically those with an advanced degree and multiple years of professional experience commanded salaries in excess of $208,000. This job can also help with the skill of solving problems, which means that industrial engineering career paths offer the chance to solve problems and improve the efficiency of organization in various settings. Students who major in industrial engineering also work to ensure the health and safety of individuals working in manufacturing and other potentially dangerous environments. The last thing is a job outlook. Most people prefer to take a stable job, and industrial engineering is not bad. You can see the graph on the left. It shows BLS prediction of the employment of industrial engineering and all occupations. The rate of the increase in the employment of industrial engineering is 8%. That is 3% greater than the rate of the increase in the employment of all occupations in the US. Industrial engineering is versatile both in the nature of the work it does and in the industries which its the expertise can be put to use.
Learning industrial engineering. In Arizona, there are 4 popular colleges that help with it, i.e. University of Arizona, Northern Arizona University, Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, Prescott, and Grand Canyon University. These are all very close to Scottsdale and are great colleges to teach you the basics of IE. Their schools, on average, have a 51% graduation rate, ranging from 62%, which is U of A, and the lowest being Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. Almost half of each school graduated in 6 years with brand new students. So, and also about 25% of students who went to these colleges were able to make $110,000 annually, and they all have relatively high acceptance rates. And that's it. Here are some of our links, and that's it.